In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headline. The launch of a $3 million health project by the United Nations and the Islamic Development Bank in Afghanistan. The initiation of the digitalization of historical artifacts at the Eastern Zone Museum. And the death of Libya's Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces in an air crash in Turkey. Welcome to today's news package. It's Wednesday, the 3rd of Rajab al-Murajab 1447, the 3rd of Jadi 1404, and the 24th of December 2025. The news details. The United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees UNHCR, with the support of the Islamic Development Bank ISDB, has launched a new project aimed at strengthening health services in Afghanistan. Based on the UNHCR, the project has a budget of $3 million will be implemented over the next 2 years. Under the Foresight Initiative, 3 comprehensive health clinics will be established and made operational in the provinces of Konar, Kandahar, and Daikundi. UNHCR stated that those health facilities will provide essential medical services to more than 240,000 returnees, internally displaced people, and host communities. The Ministry of Information and Culture announced the launch of a 3-dimensional digitalization process for historical artifacts at the Eastern Zone Museum in Nangarhar Province. In accordance with the ministry, the museum currently preserves 1,420 historical artifacts dating back to different historical periods. The digitalization of those artifacts is expected to play a significant role in their preservation and protection. The news continuation. Maulavi Faz Muhammad Haqqani, the ambassador of Afghanistan in Tehran, met with Dr. Muhammad Saeed Arbabi, the chairman of the board and the CEO of Chabahar Free Trade Industrial Zone Organization of Iran. The Afghan embassy in Tehran stated that the meeting emphasized the expansion of economic and trade relations between the 2 countries. Discussions focus on the effective utilization of Chabahar Free Trade Zone's capacities to facilitate export, increase trade exchanges, develop transit routes, and address the existing challenges. And finally, Muhammad Ali Ahmad al-Haddad, the Chief of the Staff of Libyan Armed Forces, along with 4 other senior military officials, lost their lives last night following the crash of the aircraft carrying them in Ankara, the capital of Turkey. The Interior Minister of Turkey, Ali Yerlikaya, stated the aircraft crashed minutes after taking off from Ankara's Esenbogai airport due to a technical failure caused by a power outage. He added that the wreckage of the aircraft was found in Haymana, the district of Ankara. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.